Monk straps, a stylish alternative for a sophisticated look. Monk strap shoes are a refined and versatile option that strikes a balance between formal and casual footwear. These shoes are characterized by their buckle closure, typically featuring 1 or 2 straps across the upper, which differentiates them from other dress shoes like Oxfords or Derbies that rely on laces. The sleek design and lack of laces make Monk straps a bold yet elegant choice for those who want to stand out without being too flashy. Key features: buckle closure, 1 or 2 straps secured by metal buckles. Sleek upper, smooth, minimalistic design with no laces. Versatile style, can be worn in both formal and semi-formal settings. Comfort, adjustable buckle allows for a custom fit. Differences from other dress shoes. Monk straps differ from Oxfords and Derbies primarily in their fastening method. Oxfords are known for their closed lacing system, while Derbies have open lacing. Monk straps offer a cleaner, more modern look due to the absence of laces, making them slightly more casual than Oxfords but more formal than loafers. When to wear Monk straps. Monk straps are ideal for business casual settings, semi-formal events, and even smart casual weekends. They can be worn to the office, weddings, or a night out. They offer flexibility, transitioning easily from day to night without missing a beat. How to match Monk straps with an outfit. Formal wear, pair a black or dark brown Monk strap with a well-tailored suit for a sophisticated business or formal look. Business casual, wear them with chinos or slim trousers and a button-down shirt or a blazer for a polished yet relaxed appearance. Casual wear, opt for lighter brown or suede Monk straps, which work well with dark jeans or chinos for a smart casual outfit. Who should wear Monk straps? Monk straps are perfect for individuals who want a distinctive style that's both modern and timeless. They appeal to those who like a polished look without the constraints of traditional lace-up shoes. Whether you're a professional looking to add variety to your wardrobe or someone who enjoys fashion-forward footwear, Monk straps can elevate your style.